Please share your screen.
Sure.
Yes, I'm able to see your screen, Satish. So, guys, please go one by one. All of your doubts and questions we can discuss in detail today's session. Okay.
So every time I use this click option, right? So I'm getting this issue. Um, One second. So instead of click, when I try to choose X, it works, but I'm facing some issue there as well. Let me. Uh, I didn't face this. May I know what this is?
Yeah, I think in yesterday's class or day before I said, so this error, it always trigger if something deleted in the module level after creation of test case. Okay, click on OK here. Expand this entire test case in a detailed view. No, in the test case level. Come to the middle window, not a hierarchy pane. Yeah, come to middle window, expand all the test steps. Right click on test case, you can see expand arrow. Yes. The first line, I think a fifth arrow. Arrows, icons are there, right? Yes. No, after that. After that. Yes. Scroll down. Still scroll down. You see here, the last one, last second option. No module attribute is identified. What
Uh-huh.
happens, Shrikant? You already created module and test case development is also completed. Okay.
Okay.
After that, you might be unexpectedly deleted module attribute.
No. Actually, I remember. So the thing is, I this H1, right, in the after registering, it will show the register page, right? So in that register page, I try to verify the visibility is true. If that page is opening after registration, register page is opening. That one, no, I am getting this error. I'm getting this unique, not unique error. So I try to change this, and that's when I got the issue. Let me.
So you earlier deleted that in the module, but that is not uh, deleted in a test case. That is the reason your test case is giving that error.
Okay, so now I have this here, right? So I change this to, even if I change the inner text to register page, I if I do that, it says not unique.
See, that is a tag.
Okay, no, no,
The
no. The tag.
properties pane tag itself, it is a H1, right? Why reg page?
Um, but usually we change the we
No.
don't change the
Don't change
tag.
any values in the
Okay.
technical property.
Uh-huh.
Don't change any value. Select the options, which option is feasible for us, either ID, class name, or inner text like this.
Okay.
So tag is always H1 only. So
Okay.
here you just mentioned tag is reg page. I think it's not there. Even if you inspect, okay, just go to the site and check manually. Go to registration page and check manually. Now do right click and inspect. Just to right click and inspect. What is the tag here?
H1.
tag is H1 only. So based on tag only, Tosca is trying to identify that. If you
Okay.
change that value, how Tosca is able to recognize that tag?
Okay.
Because it is completely back-end HTML code.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. But even if I do that, so the inner text thing, I was getting the issues. Uh,
Go
what
back to your test case.
Okay.
Scroll first, delete this last one. No module attribute associated one. Where you are getting an, if you are using inner text, don't use boolean values. Okay.
Okay.
Inner text is nothing but you are just validating the text of the control. What is the text of the control? Your registration completed is a text, right?
Yeah.
Copy the text and in here same test step only. Same test step. Go little bit up above continue button. Above continue. Scroll down. Scroll down. Yes. Copy that your register completed message and pass here.
This one is it?
Yes.
Sorry.
Copy the text in replace with a true level. Boolean value true is there, right? In
Yeah.
the true level, replace it. Inner text is nothing but it always validate the text of the control.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, you just mentioned inner text, but you just pass the Boolean values. Tosca not able to work with the Boolean values with the inner text combination. Okay.
Okay. So just instead of true or the inner text itself, I need to.
Yeah, you can use direct text here. Yes, that is perfect. Scroll up. Let me check the entire code.
No, this all worked. Only the last page after registration, I'm facing the trouble.
Okay, registration page is working fine. Okay,
For me,
scroll
this
down. Come.
click is not working anywhere. If I choose click, it's not working.
X is most recommended. Okay, even real time also we use that to avoid mouse cursor movements. Okay.
Okay.
Mhm. Okay, so see here, you are performing click operation on continue button, right?
Yeah.
After that, immediately you are passing click operation on logout level. Once you click on continue button, what happens? The page is refreshing.
Ah.
Okay, so
Okay.
Tosca is not waiting until that control hyperlink is visible.
Okay.
Do one thing, change the cardinality of logout. Change the cardinality and first verify this one in test case level. In the first logout, add verification. Existency or visible is equal to true. Action mode is wait on. Steer property. Visible equal to true.
Good, right?
Mm.
Shall I run it?
Yes.
Can I maximize the window in between when it is running?
Yeah. See, one more point. If you are running any test case, make sure to close the browser. Otherwise, see how many tabs are opened with the same name. Totally three tabs are there. So
Okay.
while performing an action in Tosca, it is getting confused. stating like you can see more than one matching tab was found. In the login for you able to see the text here clearly.
Got it.
So close the entire browser. It automatically launch the browser and it continue the execution. Mm.
What should I do now?
What is there? So
Log
the
out.
weight is filled. The Boolean value is always capital T.
Okay.
You mentioned true, but it is small letter, right? Use capital T.
Okay. So yesterday, what I was sure I'll change that. So yesterday, what I was facing was this H1. Usually for see here in this and all, right? So for the email thing.
So the H1 is belongs to the above module, right?
So for this company details, right? So for company details, it was H1 only. I changed that. I'm not sure if this is inner text or the tag itself. I changed the uh, properties.
Company details.
So
The
this.
tag is
Okay.
H2, inner
o-
text is password, fine. Don't change these properties, Shrikant. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
That is
Okay.
not at all recommended. Don't change this one until unless the application changes. Okay.
Okay.
So what are the properties you added at module scanning level? Keep those properties only. If
Okay.
something is changing, accordingly we can fix within a module level. But every time modification in a module not recommended. Hmm?
Okay. So the inner text alone we can change, is it? That also we cannot change.
Yes, in a text we can change it. For example, your password is now. Okay.
Mhm.
Maybe whenever you are trying to run the scenario tomorrow or day after tomorrow, the application is changed. The naming conversion is changed. Your password is here, something is renamed. Okay.
Okay.
Then modify the name here. Until unless you identify changes at a web application, then only you can modify. Otherwise, don't modify anything here.
Okay.
So if you
Uh,
want to modify anything, you can do it within the scanning window itself.
Yeah, so in the scanning and only this H1, right? So this when this page shows up in that register, right? So when I try to change the inner text only, I was getting those errors. It said like there are two, three errors which came up yesterday. So it said you cannot. Uh, when I ran it only, I was getting those errors. So
Mhm.
I was not able to change the. I should not be changing the inner text for it, is it?
Do you have any screenshots for that?
No, unfortunately, I did not take it. So exactly like here, I changed the inner text to your password, right? So similarly to identify this H1 is that the register thing. I tried to change the inner text, like it was unique without selecting the inner text. But to
That
make
is
it,
fine.
yeah, but
See, for
to
this
understand,
registration success page, only one H1 tag is there. That is a registration title.
okay,
Even if it is not selected in a text, that is perfectly fine. H1
okay,
itself, it is a unique right.
okay, okay, got it.
Directly
So
can use this.
No, I just thought, to identify this is the that thing. Instead of H1, I'll not know what it is, right? So I try to select the inner text and change it. That's not
Okay,
required,
okay.
you're saying, right? We should not do if there is only one header. Uh, is it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, okay, got it. So here for the weight on alone, I need to,
பண்ணி ஃபோன் பண்ணேன்னா
what should I do here? The T alone is caps, right?
T, it's a capital.
Okay. Okay, that's all I have for now. Sure.
Hi Anusha, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
So I saw Shrikant using X in the value field. What does it
Click
actually?
operation.
Okay, it's a click operation. Okay. And Anusha, while I was running my scripts, I see like, it's running very fast and I can't see like what steps are getting executed, how to make it slow.
We cannot make it any slow. It default nature, it run the script very fast. If you want to stop, if you want to see the execution flow, we have to add somewhat of static weights over there within the application. Like
Okay.
T-box weights. Just define T-box weight where exactly the Tosca is going too fast. Then it will wait that specific time what we mentioned there. Hmm?
So, can it be added after every step? Like if we want to see how, it's working? Like in my test case, can I add it after each and every step?
Not required, I think so.
Okay.
Default time limit. If your network is good, then it run the script within fraction of seconds. Even we are not able to see it.
Yeah,
Okay.
exactly. That is what is happening.
Yes, that is the default nature. If you want to see the execution flow, then add some T-box weights. But adding weights is not recommended in real time. To see the flow of execution, you can add it. Okay.
Okay, okay. And Anusha, I'm just sharing my screen. So Anush, here, in the modules, when I tried to scan for the first time, this is the title it came up with. And then when I did for register page also, it came up with the same name. So will it be an issue or can we do the change of names?
Name you can change it. That is not a problem.
Okay, if we are changing here, then it's getting changed here in
Don't change into the uh,
the
change the
title.
module name. Don't change title name. Okay.
Okay.
Name of the module property is different, right? So the name of the module you can modify it based on the type of controls it is there. There you can modify directly, but that will not impact your title. Understand? If you
Okay.
modify the module name, that will not reflect to the title. Okay, just you can modify. So this page is related to registration success, right? Rename this one NOP registration success. It is a kind of proper naming conversions to understand the team.
Okay.
NOP commerce, don't modify the title. Okay. What
Yeah,
I
I'm
said,
checking if it is
NOP
modified or
register
not.
success page.
Okay,
You
I
can keep
just
it that like, same way. Here you
okay.
can use NOP register success page or any naming conversion. Hmm?
Okay. Okay. Anusha, I mean, after every scan, also, like, if there are some other modules that have to be added into the same module, can we add them by doing rescan, or we need to create only different modules?
You can add with the risk.
Okay. And Anusha,
Uh,
if we are like, okay, sorry.
For example, within this module, might you forward to add one of the control. Okay.
Mm.
Don't create another module for that. Just do rescan and add it.
Okay. And then Anusha, if there is like a mistake or if the test case is not working and if we want to delete any modules and test cases, can we do that? Is that possible?
Hmm?
If we want to delete anything, is that possible?
Yes. You can delete unless you are not implemented anything in a test case level.
Okay. And Anusha, if we are working on a test case and if someone else in the team also is given the access, and if they are trying to delete it by mistake, will that happen? Can we retrieve the data back again?
Yes, we can retrieve the data back again. But the thing is, it is a completely common user repository. Yes, we can expect such a kind of questions here. But the thing is, in real time, no one dares to delete anything in the Tosca commander. Because it
Okay.
is a common user activity, each and every person's activities, we have a history for that.
Okay.
Okay. So if something is deleted by any of the person, then they are the responsible to work entire thing from the scratch.
Okay.
Okay. Even the team, if any one of the team member is also modified, we can check that the team member, what modifications it's done by them.
Okay. And Anusha, now the Tosca commander that is given to us, there is one project that we have added, right? Can we add another project also? Is it possible in this license?
Yes, use NOP, like what I can say, component folder.
No, not here in the direct project level itself. Directly while it's opening, we are choosing one folder that we created, right? So can we create like multiple folders for different
Yes,
projects
you
and
can.
work on them?
Yes, you can.
Okay.
Yes, that is possible. So you can see in my system, right? I have a number of projects in my system, right?
Okay.
So when I share my Tosca commander, you may able to see I do have a number of things in my system, right?
Yeah.
That is possible, okay?
Okay.
Uh, Anusha, I have a doubt. Can I ask?
Yes, yes, team. Yeah, it's an anyway doubt session. We can go with one by one.
Anusha, actually, the thing is, like, yes, when we try executing our program, it will be moving faster from one screen to the other. For example, if I click on a link, which should open a page, and if that page is loading, like, we don't know how much time it will take. Na? Like, as you told, we can add static waits, but sometimes that application is taking 2 seconds, and sometimes it is taking 3 seconds. So, means there is a variation in the loading time. Do we have any such facility like until the page is loaded, after that we need, like, it has to be diagnosed, like, wait until element is visible. Such things are there in Tosca.
Yeah. So it is a completely synchronization problem. Okay. So default Tosca itself, it is giving a 10,000 milliseconds. Okay.
Okay.
Before performing an action like either verification or click operation or enter text before performing an action, Tosca
Okay.
verify the control is visible in the page based on the module properties. First, it map the title, page title. Okay. If
Okay.
page title is identified, then it go to the control wise. For example, registration hyperlink. It try to find the register hyperlink with the tag and the name. Okay.
Okay.
Once these
Okay.
are identified, then it perform the click. So how much time it will take? Its a maximum time limit is 10,000 milliseconds.
Okay.
Okay.
Can we
So
move
as you
that?
said, yeah,
Yeah.
as you said, this 10,000 milliseconds, sometimes your page loads in a 1,000 milliseconds, sometimes 5,000 milliseconds, sometimes very slow. That is what
Yes.
happened.
Yeah.
The 10,000 milliseconds, what is the time it is there in the project? That is completely dynamic. Okay. So
Okay.
let us take a situation. let us assume your application is still taking a time more than 10,000.
Yeah.
More than 10,000. That time you can utilize wait on action mode. So
Okay, we
previous
have wait on action kind of. Okay.
what we are doing, we are just informing to Tosca, okay?
Okay.
Before performing action on this control, wait until this control is visible or exist. How much time it wait? If you use wait on, it will wait 20,000 milliseconds. This is a default dynamic wait stream, it's completely synchronization concept. Probably I'll discuss in the Monday or Tuesday. Okay.
Okay, sure, Anusha. Yeah. So wait on action debox module is there, huh?
There is no module wait on itself, it is a action mode.
Okay.
So in previously Srikanth's screen also we just saw, right?
Okay.
Before performing on logout, we just added wait on there and then we just pass the click operation.
Okay.
Because once we perform click on one location, it takes some time to load the next page.
Yes.
So we're just telling Tosca to wait until the control is visible or exist. Then only we are performing click operations on that.
Okay. Like weight, we can we can design the weight like 5,000, 6,000, like that.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Anusha. Thank you.
Anusha, Lakshminarayan, I
Yes.
want to share my screen. Anusha, just 2, 3 classes before we discussed about one second. Here you told me to assign wait on free. Immediately click logouts. It is not able to click. I want to run and show you. Still, if I and now also I added wait, so it is not taking out. It is in logout. It is not logged out. I
Let
think
me see your
it
screen
will be
first.
other.
Show me your test case section first. Okay. So
Okay.
if your script is still running, if it is not performing a click up, wait until your test case is happening. Just wait. Okay. The test is running, right? Wait until it has to complete. So see here,
Continue,
if you
sir.
click
Yeah.
on continue, immediately
Yeah.
the page is refreshed and it is going to the home page.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now it is trying to perform click operation and logout. Logout is not visible. Why? Maybe the tab name is changed or Tosca is not identified. Go to your scratch book. Go to your scratch book. See the error category first. If any error is coming, make sure to check the error category first. Synchronization failed. Okay. Click on this. So please increase the synchronization. It is telling 10,000 millisecond synchronization is failed. Okay, come back to your test case. Let's see what is the development. Visible equal to true. Come out of the field.
Yeah,
Could you
came
please
out.
click on some other location? Visible is equal to true. Okay. Can you please add existence is equal to true instead of visible?
Okay.
Click on down arrow.
Oh, yeah.
Steer properties.
Yeah.
And choose existence is equal to true. Yes.
Okay.
Try to run this last step only. I think it's already disabled. Do one thing. Register page. 1 second. 1 second. Don't do. Come out. Okay. Registration page. Your registration completed. Continue button. Could you please disable these 3 steps? Hold the shift.
Which one?
Right click and disable.
Which one? This one, no?
Yes. Register page. Right click. Right click. Continue also. Yeah.
Okay.
Right click. Right click.
Right click. Okay.
Could you please unselect the test step? Step is selected. NOP commerce step is selected above. Above registration page, that test step is selected. Deselect
Okay.
that.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Do right click, disable first option. You can see.
Okay.
Now run this only this particular step. You're just working with the logout. It is working or not. Okay. If it is performed, click. Have you performed logout manually?
No, I did not perform.
You did earlier.
Uh-huh.
Enable everything and
Okay.
do a run entire script from the scratch. Okay. See, whenever you are running the test cases, make sure to close all the browsers or windows, Lakshmi. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Sure.
Just keep this one as it is. I think Tosca is trying
Okay.
to find the logout. Okay.
Um,
If still synchronization is coming, maybe the issue with your module title. Could you please show me that module title here? Registration success module title. In the properties pane, show me the module title. Scroll down. What is the title here? Last property. Title
yeah.
property is there,
Yes.
right? Click on
Yeah.
that
Yeah.
value.
Yeah.
So here the registration page demo. Same page is not visible.
Okay. You need to
See,
remove
once
it.
you click on continue, okay,
Mm,
once you click on continue, automatically the page is going to the another page. The
mm.
page title, tab name is changed. Okay.
Okay.
What is the tab name here? NOP Commerce Demo Store Home.
Oh.
The
Okay.
module creation time, it is a register. These two are not matching. That is the reason error
Okay.
is coming. I
Okay.
already explained this
Yeah. Yeah.
yesterday.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Just change
Yeah.
the module title. Keep up
Okay.
to NOP commerce and rest of the things remove and keep a asterisk over there. Yes, remove that.
Not in.
Delete.
Yeah.
And space also you
Delete.
can remove. Yes, add a star symbol. Now try to run the entire test case. It will run now.
Initially, it is taking so much. Why?
Okay.
Why it is so- A tag.
What is that?
Could not.
The register is not identified with the registration link. See, maybe after opening the URL, it is taking the page loading issue.
Okay.
Okay, before performing a click operation on registration hyperlink, add wait on there, not here in the test case level.
Okay.
The
After
first
this,
second step.
Here
Not
you,
here,
you're telling.
not here.
Before continue.
Just listen to me, not here.
Okay.
Go to your scratchbook. Where exactly error is triggered, the first step. Okay, right click on here. Just do right click. Jump to test step value. First option. Here. First add wait on and later on change the card. First do one thing. Change the cardinality. You can see one more register here. In the first register level, attach visible or existence equal to true wait on. Second, you can pass the click operation. Okay?
Okay, I will do that.
Yeah, please do.
And another thing is, I did not in execution how you will running a normal scratchbook. In execution, we need to check logs also, no? So that we need our modules or test case here. Which one we need?
Sorry.
Execution, if normal scratchbook I'm using it, logs will not be finding out, no? In
Okay,
execution, we will,
here in execution level, do check out at main execution.
check out.
Yes, check out. Right click and create one execution list folder. Fourth icon. Execution list folder. The naming conversion you can see. Yeah. Select that. Rename this one. I mean daily test run something. Once your test case development is completed, drag and drop here. Okay.
Okay. And I'll do that. Another one is you are able to when you create one single new window is creating with test module and everything single one it is coming for us. For me it is not coming only this one it is coming. Test
Yeah.
how you are able to do that one?
The new window, it's an option to work separately or independently instead of working here. If you click on this plus icon at NOP, you can able to see only this folder in a separate window.
Yeah.
I'm not getting exactly what your question
No,
is.
in your thing, entire folder it will come module test
The
case.
test case section itself. Oh, you just want me to go with the project. You can see your ecom project is there, right? Fourth tab. You can come here.
Okay.
First, here you are able to see all.
Yes, I am able to see all,
The
especially
test
my
case section you
project.
can able to see.
Oh,
So now I'm just selecting the main test case. I'm just making it as a new window. Right click on the test case. Test case, not folder, test case section, entire section. Yeah, do right click and plus icon. Now it is adding into a new window. This is the way I'm doing.
okay. And configuration for us, for me, configuration how you are doing configuration here it is coming, no? Can you explain me that? Configuration
Test
separate tab you need.
configuration parameter, okay? See,
This
where
one.
exactly I'm doing right click, where exactly I'm performing adding TCPs. Please go through one more time recording video, okay? This is a test case section level configuration, okay? So configuration section is separate. It is there in the project. Getting Lakshmi? So what is your project here? Ecom is your project. Close all these tabs. The number of tabs are open here. Close all this. The tabs, yeah. What are the tabs it is there? All, close all, everything.
Execution. Yeah. 10. Anusha?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Go to your ecom project.
Yeah.
Here you can see configuration section, the first section.
Yeah.
Create here and drag and drop these things to your touch keys.
Okay.
See the recording video, okay?
Okay. Okay. Also.
Just go through once today recording video. Still, if you have any
Hmm.
issues, we can discuss in the next class. Okay, na?
Okay. Okay.
Team, any other
Hello.
questions, guys? Yeah.
Hi, madam.
Anusha,
Hello.
it is
Hello.
So,
Anusha.
yes,
Anu-
yes. Sorry, team, just go with one by one.
yeah, Harit, please go ahead.
Hi, madam. I was joined yesterday only, but thanks for providing the access for the previous classes. But where I live, I can find the class notes and documentation.
Okay, I missed to add your mail ID to the note document. Okay, just give me 1 minute. Harita, right?
Yes, madam.
Just wait here.
Okay.
Just giving right away. I missed it. I just given recording access, but I missed to provide a folder access.
Okay.
Not this one. I given access to you right away. You can check in your drive, okay? Go to your
Okay.
mail and check and let me know. Okay, na?
Okay, madam. And who will provide the license activation, madam?
The test admin team, they'll connect with you, okay?
Okay. Okay, madam. Madam, is there any video for how to install the Tosca?
The installation document is there. They'll share you that installation document also.
Okay. Okay,
Okay,
madam.
na?
Okay, thank you.
Anisha, can you add my email ID also? SREESNP.
I
Hello.
have all of your list of mail IDs. Okay. So is this your first time sharing a mail ID or what exactly it is?
Yeah, it is first time.
Then let me check. Just drop your mail ID in the chat window. I'll take a copy.
Yeah, I dropped it. snap@gmail.com, right? Yeah.
I'll make a note, okay? I'll give you access to you.
Okay.
Hi, Anusha.
Yeah, hi, team.
So I have facing this issue while working on this test case that I've created. So if I'm running this test case, so it's getting executed correctly and it's getting closed also. But I have included logout, but that is not happening.
One session. You clicked on logout, but that is not happening. Show me what HK's developed.
Yeah.
It's working, right? Just wait.
So this
The
pop-up is
same.
coming, and behind this there is a logout. So is that
Use
the
X method then, okay?
okay?
Use X method to handle these pop-ups. We can use T-box dialog option. Okay, I'll show you that next sessions.
Yeah. And it is getting closed actually, Anusha. This browser is also getting closed and the test case is getting successful. But if I run it again,
Yes.
right? So now it is in that logout screen only directly.
Because the logout is not happened. Tosca point of view, it performed the click on logout, but actually in that area, some pop-up is appear in a previous screen, right?
Yeah.
So that pop-up is blocking to click on logout. In previous execution, Tosca point of view, it performed the click on logout, but actually it is not happened, right?
Oh, yeah.
That is the reason same logout screen is visible here again.
Okay.
So instead of click operation, better you can use X method and try to rerun again. Obviously, it will successfully pass the scenario.
Okay. Instead of
So just use X method here. Because every time you are using new credentials, right? Some of the Chrome profiles, it asks you directly to store the passwords and user IDs
So
in the
X
system.
is capital or small here?
Anything is perfectly fine. It's identical only. Clear team.
Oh, yeah. This worked, Anusha. Thank you.
And
So every time you are using new credentials, it is giving that pop-up message to you. Okay.
Yeah.
So that is blocking a click operation because when you use click, it do mouse over.
Okay.
The mousing is not happening now.
Yeah, correct.
That is the reason it is not passed earlier. But now you may able to see clearly.
Yeah, correct.
Anusha, any difference between click operation on X?
Yeah, same difference. Just now I explained. If you use click, you can see cursor movement. If you use X, you are not able to see cursor movement. Directly it hit the control.
Okay.
Anusha, is it is possible to change properties of any attribute, module attribute, while rescanning the module?
Rescanning the module.
While rescanning the module, is it is possible to change the properties of any attribute which was identified uniquely?
Yes, we can.
But okay, can you
Module
show
properties
us?
you can change. Okay. But
Mhm.
you are not able to modify the existing control.
Okay. You mean to say once we add a module, then we are not able to delete it, we are not able to unselect it.
So in the rescanning window, it always in a disable mode. Try to do rescan once and let me know
Yeah,
what
yeah,
you
yeah,
guys are observed.
yeah.
Okay.
I see that previously selected attribute control is disabled.
Disable.
Um,
So that
uh,
means you are not able to modify the name of the control. In the technical properties, if you want to modify any technical properties, you can do that.
yeah. Okay. As I'm not able to select that control, I'm not able to make changes to the properties.
Hmm?
As the control is disabled, I'm not able to make changes to the properties.
You can able to. You can try it again.
Able to,
Okay. You can
okay,
able to do that.
okay. And one more question is, I tried to verify the drop down values, but whatever values I could see in um, under inspect, after clicking on inspect element, we will be seeing all the values now in the console. I copied and pasted in the test, but I don't know how to verify the drop down values. I will share my screen. Can you guide me?
The drop downs part, we do have another session. I'll discuss there in detail, okay?
Okay, okay.
So, Anusha,
See, drop downs itself, it is a challenging kind of thing, okay? Na?
Mhm.
So we do have another session for that.
Okay. For seeing the div drop down, so as of now, I'm using
See,
uh,
as I
back.
said, the drop downs part, okay, we do have a different session for that. So
Yeah,
we
yeah.
have different kind of drop downs and working with select different tags, div drop downs. What are the question you are asking me? The same things I'll discuss with you in the coming classes in detail.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
But
Mm.
for now, what I'm doing is I'm just using back a down arrow command, up arrow command. Like that, I'm selecting the drop down values for drop down values. Can we do real time or not?
Real time only. Same things we do in the real time. What are
No.
the challenges, questions you raised to me? The same things you may face in real time.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Anush.
Okay,
so
Chief.
Anusha, in the assignment part that you have given us, right? So here it is like after logout, we have to log in again and enter the recent email ID and password. But here we are generating it randomly, right? How can we give that random date? Can we pass that in the test case?
Date expression. Huh?
Sorry?
So which data you want to pass randomly?
So while creating a register page, right, we are passing that random values, right?
Yes.
In with registered email and password. So is there any possibility where, we can log in with the credentials that we are giving while registering?
Your voice is completely breaking for me. So you are, while registration, you want to use the same credentials for login purpose. Am I correct?
No, while logging,
Hmm.
see here we are passing this random value, right?
Okay, the random values you are passing, what random value generated at test run level, you just want to use same credentials, right?
Yeah, correct.
Yes, for that we use the buffer actions. So far try to work with a registration, okay?
Okay, but in the assignment it is given, so I was like trying out,
Yes,
but
yes, login feature is also added. I
okay.
understand the registration email ID itself, it is completely dynamic. I'll tell you how to deal with this, okay?
Oh, okay, Anusha. Yeah. Thank you.
Hello,
Yes,
Anusha,
sorry.
am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Okay. So, Anusha, actually, the
May I know your name? You just joined with the admin name.
okay, I think I did. Saujanya. Sorry, I did. I'm Saujanya, Anusha. So, I had a query, Anusha. Like, I'm unable to like add the test case like drag and drop, Anusha, from modules.
Mm-hmm.
Didn't
Okay.
miss anything. I just wanted to know if I missed anything. I have added and scanned the modules in module section, but in test need to execute, right, Anush?
What exactly you are doing? The number of conditions are added. Drag and drop that module to the main test case. Drag and drop. It is not happening. The main root folder level drop. Don't release the cursor, don't click. Okay, whenever you mouse over, automatically it navigate to the test case section. Keep hold the as it is. Yes, drop. Test case is created, right? Delete all these above folders. What folders it is generated?
Okay, okay. Yeah, and then this. Okay, so test case is yeah, now we should not release the folder, right? Delete from.
Don't release the cursor.
Okay.
Maybe you thought like you have to click on test case section, not required. If you do dragging and dropping, hold the cursor more to test case section, it automatically navigate to a test case section. The TC1 also you can delete.
Okay.
Now you can continue with your work. Follow the recommended workflow and all as per the videos. Okay.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
So, Anusha, is there a way to close the browser particular tab only, or is it only the full browser?
Yeah. In the closed browser level, just mention the tab name directly. Name of the tab with asterisk.
What would be the name of the tab?
You can able to see the tab name in the browser itself only, right? Like nvpcommerce.com home.
The title.
NVP commerce register, the title.
Okay.
Yeah.
And one more thing. So, how do we modify the speed of the execution? Is there a way?
Yeah,
Like,
T-box wait.
not to increase the speed. Is there a way? Or
Yes, we do have a way. We do that.
okay, because my once I start execution, it takes like 15 seconds, then only starts the execution. That's why I wanted to know.
Sure, sir. We have an way for that.
Okay, we'll be discussing later, is it?
Yes, yes.
Okay. And is there a list of documents like where the list of errors points to what exactly should we be modifying or changing the error to debug?
What is that? Come again?
No, if we are facing once we run it in Scratchbook, we see, right? For example, like one error says, it points out what's the issue, but sometimes
We can
we
see
are
in the log level. Okay.
where do
In
we
a
see?
log, as actual log level, you can able to see clearly what exactly the issue there. Okay.
Can I share my screen where to see it?
Scratchbook run result window is there, right? It is stating like the test steps are passed, failed window.
Okay.
So in that window, you can see one option, the Scratchbook option. It will not save the log data. Okay, go to Home tab. Here you can see in the Go to section, Scratchbook icon is there, right? Click on that Scratchbook after project icon. Yeah, click on that. The previous log here is the right side, it is added, the Scratchbook. Drag and drop this window to after test cases. Expand this log. It is passed, right? You can see log info column. Able to see that? The verification success failure log info column. I think fourth column. There you can see the error messages or success messages.
Okay. Okay. But I mean, what I'm trying to ask is like if here when it runs and there was a error, it says something and you corrected it. So I'm unable to understand. The errors are like upfront, straightforward, like we can understand. But some errors was like click
So
instead of
going forward, okay, right now it is only one example. Maybe you can able to understand one or two type of error categories. Understand? Most of the error categories, what type of errors it will trigger, how to resolve that, I'll discuss with you. Each day I'll discuss one test case, right? Probably some errors also you can see there. I can show you what root causes are there to resolve the error categories.
Oh,
So, Anusha, while giving these random values, how can we see like what being passed? Is there any way like we know find that this random data is being passed?
Your voice is breaking, Anusha. Kavya, sorry.
Anusha, so we creating test case, right? We are giving some random values, right?
Yes,
So,
yes.
is there any way where we can, note the random value? So, if anything is failing,
Yes, we have a possibility, okay?
okay.
We have a possibility. I'll show you that for login screen, the random generated email for login screen. See, guys, what points we discussed for Monday to Friday, okay? Within that points, any questions we can discuss, okay? Other than that, if anything is coming, I'll discuss in the next week. After next Saturday, you can ask me the questions if it is not covered and what things is missing from the areas, okay?
Okay.
So all these points is to plan to discuss in the coming session. Error categories, login categories, how to deal with the random numbers, how to deal with the drop-down activities, what type of error categories are there, how to work with that. So within single session, we cannot cover all, right? We can go with one by one in detail in a coming session. So far, what examples I explained to you and what concepts I introduced to you, like adding weight ons and cardinalities, creation of the test cases, recommended workflows. Do work on these areas for this week. Okay.
Sure, Anusha. So, Anusha, tomorrow also be session or
So Sunday there is no session tip, only Monday. Okay. So do practice on these 2 days. Okay. Na?
The register without giving any it worked out. I'm able to log out. There is no issue right now.
Is your script is working, Lakshmi?
Yeah, yes, yes. I
Then
got
it's
results.
working, right?
Yes, yes, that's what I'm telling. Without giving
Yeah,
it is
that
working
is
fine.
fine. Mm.
So Anusha, so when we have this, that once we log in into we see that captcha or the verify thing, verification. Is there a way to bypass that?
Yes. In a real time, we used to check with the development for testing time point of view. They just bypass the areas. We can do that. Okay.
Okay, okay.
That is what I said, Tim. We have a lot to discuss in Tosca. Okay. So
Okay.
our primary Saturday doubt session is belongs to this week related concept only. Understand? Yeah.
Wonder
Out of
if I
curiosity, I understand. We can
no no
discuss all the points in coming classes.
yeah, just if I wanted to try with another website, I want.
Yes. So right now you all are completed like this one, right? What I can say. Tosca, not Tosca. Right now you all are completed NOP commerce registration, right? Okay. So do one thing, try to pick any other application, like sample testing application, and try to work with it. We have a demo commerce, demo.triscientist.com is there, or Orange HRM is there. Try to work with those areas too. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So we can connect Monday same time. Thanks to you all.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Mm.
Thank you, Anushka.
Thank you, Anushka.